All right, you guys ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I tested 10 Instagram beauty hacks and I had so much fun filming this video. I feel like I'm always scrolling through Instagram wondering if these hacks work or not. So it was really exciting to try them out for myself and see if they worked or not. So if you guys would like to see 10 Instagram beauty hacks tested, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm really excited for this first hack because I always want to try sugaring because I'm actually allergic to like most waxes, and even the sensitive ones still like break out my skin in like these little red bumps. So I did the sugaring technique. I already did it because it takes a little while, so I used sugar, water, and lemon, and they have exact measurements online, so you could just look that up online. And I see girls doing this on Instagram all the time, so I'm really excited and I'm nervous it's gonna hurt, but you know, I gotta do it for you guys, so I'm just gonna use my arm. I don't really recommend using a knife to put it on, but I'm ratchet, so that's what's gonna happen. And all right, let me just get it on. All right, so this is definitely still hot. Definitely don't do it while it's hot. You're gonna burn yourself, because I think I just did. Ooh. Brown on your skin. Ooh, I'm scared, okay. All right, you guys ready? Oh my God, it worked! All right, so hack number 2, you take a spoon and any eyeshadow of your choice. Today I'm just gonna use my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette, which looks like this, and I'm just gonna take some of the matte brown shades. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this spoon and put it over your eye to create a cut crease. So I suck at cut creases, so I'm really excited to see if this works. Let me just zoom you in. Okay, perfect. So I'm just gonna take the spoon and lay it over my eye like this. I think that looks good. And I'm gonna take a brown shade. Oh no, I'm really nervous about this. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Oh my God, wait, the spoon was in my eye for so long, I feel blind. All right, I can't really see, so I'm just gonna take a darker color and go over that. Okay, so here's the tea. I mean, I guess like it kind of works, but I feel like just because everyone has different eye shapes, it's not gonna work. I think it's because like the shape of the spoon is just so awkward. I think I'd rather just practice the normal way, but I mean, I guess if we're going with the fact if it works or not, I guess it does work. Okay, so now we're on to hack number 3, and for hack number 3, you need an eyelash curler. Also, your favorite liquid or gel eyeliner. So I'm gonna be putting on eyeliner with my eyelash curler. So I've seen this go really wrong, so I'm gonna try my hardest to make it look good. So what you do is you just take your eyelash curler. Okay. Wait, did it work? I can't tell. Maybe I should use gel. I'm not sure if that'll make a difference, but let me try it on the other eye and see. Can you guys see a difference? I'm not sure. Okay. Let me try the other eye. I feel like I could see a little line, but Like, what if it did? I feel like it just darkened them up a little. I don't know. I think I like this one, honestly. It works really good. So hack number 4 also includes a liquid liner and now a floss pick. So what you do is you take the liquid liner and kind of like the eyelash curler, we're just gonna coat the white part in the eyeliner. We're just gonna make a wing on our eye with this now. And then, I'm really nervous. I'm really hoping this one works because this is like what takes me the longest in the morning. So I actually switched over to gel really quick and I really don't know what I'm doing wrong, honestly. I thought this one would actually work pretty good. Okay, wait, this eye looks a little better. Like, not at all. The reason I switched over to gel because with the liquid one, it wasn't like going on my lid, so like it was just being so patchy. So I switched to gel and now I'm like really confused. Alright, so yeah, I look like absolute crap. This is a definite thumbs down. I'm not doing this again, and we're gonna just leave our wings like this for the rest of the video. Alright, now for this next hack, it shows you how to get big voluminous lips. So I'm just gonna take this MAC Spice lip liner and I'm just gonna zoom you in on my lips. Okay. So I always have problems because I feel like my upper lip is so much smaller than my bottom lip. So I'm really excited for this. So what they do first is they make an X above the Cupid's bow. And then the next thing is little lines there, one in the center here, and then 2 on both sides. And next they just line the lips. And now they just take a lipstick or anything like that. I'm taking a gloss and I'm just gonna put it on top. So now here are my lips. Definitely a lot fuller and bigger, so I give that hack a big thumbs up. For this next hack, I'm going to contour my nose with this fork and eyeshadow brush. I literally can't stand to look at myself with these wings on my eyes right now, so whatever, we're just gonna keep them. We're gonna keep them. But, so for this hack, you need a fork and a contour palette, and I'm just gonna use a little blending brush. So this is gonna help us contour our nose. So you line up the center of the fork with the center of your nose and the other 2 sides on the sides of your nose. So I actually have a pretty small nose, so it's gonna be hard to like get in there. So I'm just gonna tilt the fork so I could get the sides of my nose. Ugh, I don't even know if this is gonna work. I feel like I'm hitting like everywhere but where I wanna hit. Okay, and then in the center, I'm just gonna take one of the light shades, a light like banana shade, and put it in the center. This is not gonna work. I think it's my fork. Okay. Oh my god. That looks awful. That looks so bad. Guys, is it just my video that's messing up this bad? Please tell me other people are having problems too. Oh my So I'm just gonna like, there's like no helping that. Guys, that's so bad. That is such a thumbs down. Like, please don't try this. Like, your nose is gonna look like shit. Okay, bad, thumbs down. On to the next hack. This next hack is actually for fake freckles. So what you're gonna need is a spoolie brush and any eyebrow or eyeshadow powder of your choice, like any brown eyeshadow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the spoolie and kind of like dip it in the powder, get it all like chalked up. I don't know if you see that there. And just keep rubbing it in there. And then what you're supposed to do is like flick it on your face. Okay, here, let me zoom in a little so you can see. Wait, did it work already? I can't tell. My nose contour is so shitty, I can't tell. So I literally just put it all over and I'm just gonna... What if I like to spit? Oh, bad idea, bad idea. Oh my god. I was just gonna like spot it on myself. Is that working? Oh my god, that is not working. Now I look dirty. Let me know if I'm doing that one wrong, because I swear to god this is what the girl did and she had the prettiest freckles, but now I just look like I'm like a chimney sweep. Alright, I don't know. So maybe like thumbs up, thumbs down, because like maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me know down below because I'm actually really curious. Alright, so for this next hack, I'm going to be doing face framing pieces in the front of my face, which also translates to angles. So what I'm going to do is part my hair where I normally want it. I think Huda Beauty was the one who did this one. So you just take a section from the part in triangle and take out one piece, and I'm just going to tuck that behind my ears. And then I'm going to take a section from the other side. I'm going to take my professional scissors for this. But obviously, I mean, this is a home hack. Use what you have. So I'm just going to take off a little. Okay, so I just took off a little, making it even. And now I'm going to take down the rest of my hair. So you can't just cut pieces aimlessly without blending it, or else it's going to look horrible. So I'm just going to take a section from behind my ear like that and put the rest in the back. And then what you want to do is go down from where you made that cut and just slide your scissors down, slowly opening and closing them. And then you should have some hair in your hair like this. And just slide your scissors down. More hair. Just to show you guys, I'm actually cutting it for you guys on camera. And that's basically it. I mean, now you have those face framing pieces. So, ooh, thought I had a little chunk there. So after you style it, it actually looks really good. It just swings to the left and it looks really nice. So for this next hack, you're gonna need a pencil and a straightener. And I'm sure you know what I'm gonna do. So you take a small piece of hair and you wrap it around the pencil. And then you just take your straightener and like hold it over the hair on the pencil. Do people actually like do their whole head with this? That is so time consuming. To be honest, I recommend this right here. I'll leave a picture right here if you want to get these kind of curls. All right, let's take it out. Ah, it's so cute though. It's so cute. Okay, so that one definitely works, but... So this is the very last hack, and we're playing with... fire. Okay, I hate myself. So, first you like take your broken lipstick. So I just broke a little piece off. Okay, so you take your broken lipstick. I don't know if you could see where it's broken, and you fuse it back together with fire. Sorry, Mom and Dad, but today we're playing with fire. Good thing they're not home. It worked! It like fused it back together. You can't even see the line where I cut it off. Rude. Rude. See the lines where I cut it off, so that's really cool. I mean, like I said, it looks ugly, but I guess you could just like wipe around it. That definitely worked. I like it. A thumbs up for me. My hair is just like, throughout the whole video, looks like shit. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. I'm sorry I look like an actual crazy person right now with my like jacked up wings. But you know, that's what you gotta do for YouTube sometimes. But if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up down below. It would mean so much to me. And if you wanna see more videos like this one or just more videos from me in general, then subscribe down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. I really am looking to get to 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this year. That would mean so much to me. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm on where we are. You could put an ocean between our love. It will keep us apart. You could build a wall.